The Religious Institutions Prevention of Misuse Act 1988. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of Election Commission or government. In case of any variance in this training material, the Election Commission's or government guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Rule 1. The full name of this act is the Religious Institutions Prevention of Misuse Act 1988. It extends to whole of India. It commenced from 26th day of May 1988. Rule 2. Definitions. Manager means every person, including any religious functionary in relation to a religious institution, who administers, manages or otherwise controls the affairs. Political activity includes any activity promoting or propagating the aims or objects of a political party or any cause, issue or question of a political nature. Political party includes any party registered by Election Commission of India. Religious institution means an institution for the promotion of any religion or persuasion and includes any place or premises used as a place of public religious worship. Rule 3. Prohibition of use of religious institutions for certain purposes. Promotion or propagation of any political activity or harboring of any person accused or convicted. Storing of any arms or ammunition. Keeping any goods or articles in contravention of any law. Without due permission, erection, construction or fortification. Carrying on of any unlawful or subversive prohibited act. Any act which promotes or attempts to promote disharmony or feelings of enmity, hatred or ill will between different people or classes. Any activity prejudicial to the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Any act in contravention of Prevention of Insult to National Honor Act 1971. Rule 4. Restriction on carrying arms and ammunition into a religious institution. Entry of any arms or ammunition or of any person carrying any arms or ammunition into the religious institution, provided कृपाण by a person professing the Sikh religion. Also, any arms which are used as a part of any religious ceremony or ritual as established by custom or usage. Use of any funds or other properties belonging to or under the control of the institution for the benefit of any political party or for the purpose of any political activity. Rule 6. Prohibition of religious activity for propagating political ideas. Any ceremony, festival, congregation, procession or assembly organized or held under its auspices to be used for any political activity. Rule 7 is about penalties. Imprisonment up to 5 years and fine up to Rs 10,000. Rule 8. Disqualification of persons convicted or charge sheeted under this act. Any manager or other employee stand removed from his office or post and shall be disqualified for appointment in any religious institution for a period of 6 years from conviction date. If the court is of the opinion that a prima facie case exists against the manager or employee, it shall restrain the person from exercising or the discharging his duties until trial is pending. Where any manager or other employee has been removed, the vacancy arising out of such removal or restraint may be filled. Every manager or other employee of religious institution shall be bound to give information to the officer in charge of the police station of any contravention, and any failure to do so shall be punishable under the section 176 of the IPC. In this video, we have discussed about Religious Institution Prevention of Misuse Act. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown on the screen. Thank you.